Then second is forearms. So let's go to the Omnitrix Touch. Here, Omnitrix Touch. It says here Ben 10 Omniverse, and I crashed the package. So it's the show is from Cartoon Network. So thanks for the awesome show, and the creators are Bandai. So thanks for creating this nice toy, and it ages 4 and up. And here's 16-year-old Ben, and it says here alien voices, unlock secret messages and sound effects, and connect the feature figures just like this.
Wala pag nakita to.
And it says here touch it. And it says here, Omnitrix Touch. Warning! Joking hazard! Small parts not for children under 3 years. So that's it. And on the back it says 3 modes, alien voices, sound effects, unlock secret messages. And the feature figures are these guys. I like it. Feedback. They get nice feature. His ears are just like gonna be shocked, and Eagle's feature is his horn will go up and down. So that's the feature figures, and it says Snap Tag. So you gotta get it. You go to your mobile or iPod or Android, get the http dot gettag.mobile. So here it is. So again, we're gonna open this up, and I cannot wait. Oh God. Oh God. Sorry. I got the pictures on the side out. So let's remove these things. Place these things in there. Close that. Here is the instructions. We need this because here is the codes. Its contents is just the Omnitrix. It's just the Omnitrix. How to replace batteries. How to turn on. How to put on. And choose modes. And how to turn off, and how to start. So let's begin. Let's go to the Omnitrix Touch. The Omnitrix Touch is like just like plastic space dome. Oh God, this will take just a minute. Just a second. So the Omnitrix Touch is a big guy. He's a real big guy. Really big guy. So let's turn it on, and wait a minute and get the package. This is silver, and in the show, in this gray, silver, gray. But in the show, it's white. That's white. But it's okay. God. So let's up it again, turn it on, get some activation sound, and let's open. When you press this button, the slide, it will slide, this will slide down and the touchpad comes out. So it's Alien Voices mode 1. So let's number 1 is blocks. Number 2 is feedback. Number 3 is grab attack. Number 4 is shock squatch. 5 is crash hopper. Oh, that was wrong. Crash hopper. 6 is kick and knock. 7 is rat. Oh, wrong. 7 rat. So you can do this too. Pick up your finger, but I do the slide. But you can pick up your finger.
Nasaan yung malita?
So rat again. So you can do this. You can pick your alien and smash it up to just like to transform. Yeah, right. So I pick rat because rat is my favorite, and because he's an ultimate alien too. He's my favorite. When you smash it down, it will make some transformation sounds. Let's hear it again. So that's mode 1. So let's go to mode 2. Mode 2. Mode 2 is simple. It has an ambient sound going in the background. It's the sound from the Omnitrixes, and it's just like this. I'm not gonna say from the first or second or just like that. I'm just gonna show you the sounds. So that is mode 2, but you can do your own music. So that's mode 2. So let's go to mode 3. Mode 3. Mode 3 is simple. It's just like the codes. It's easy. The code is this. But when you enter the wrong code, it will just go this. So when you enter the wrong code, it will like go this. But the code is this. But the code is this.
You have great potential, young Tennyson.
And it's from Asmat saying, "You have great potential, young Tennyson." So let's go. So let's do not turn it off again. Let's put it on my wrist. Put it on my wrist. And I got it on the 3rd notch. So let's take the strap out and put the Omnitrix touch that is space down. Yeah, got it. There. First, let's close it.
Lalagay pa natin si forearms.
We will not hide it yet. We will just put it here. And that's the advertisement for the Omnitrix Touch. And he is 11-year-old then. Sorry, I forgot to say that. It's Ben 10 Omniverse again. So let's go to forearms. I pulled the tab in here. And oh,